Okay. Okay, guys, let's start with each other. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Welcome back. Please open your book and be more concentration with me, guys, because we're here today. We have a different names with the different animals, and these all of these names are very new and very difficult. Not of course, a little bit because of your genius students. Of course, you can read them all quickly and easy. Okay, guys, now let's make a revision about the 6 kingdoms level to understand more about that. Okay, guys, if you remember in page 36, please, guys, let me explain. Let me explain. Yes, this is the level to classify organisms. Okay, and as I told you before, as you see here, when he moves down, the organisms will be closer in the properties, and the level will be smaller and smaller and smaller. Okay, now at the end we have started from kingdom and ended with the genus and species. Okay, genus and species. Okay, guys. Okay, now we start with kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Genus and species, they are very close to each other. As I told you also, in species, we have only one type of organism. Only one type of organism. It means it will be just one kind, no more. Okay, today, guys, we will speak about the name of organism, the scientific name of organism. Of course, guys, we have a general name and a scientific name. Like you, all of you have a general name and a scientific name. Suppose that someone, his name is Muhammad Ibrahim. What is the general name? Midu, right? When someone needs to call Muhammad Ibrahim, say, hey, Midu, how are you, Midu? Right? Now, the Midu is the general name, not the scientific name. Okay, like another one, like Abdul Aziz, for example. Abdul Aziz, the Abdul Aziz Muhammad, for example. Now, Abdul Aziz Muhammad is the scientific name, but his general name is Zizo, right? Yeah, that is the general name. Look over here, guys. We have wolf and coyotes and cats and dogs and duck and like that. All of these are the general name, not the scientific name. Not the scientific name. Lion, jaguar, all of these are the general name, not the scientific name. But in fact, we have a scientific name here down, guys. Okay, as you see here, we have a scientific name. Okay, look over down on your book. You can see these 2 words here. Okay, yeah, Canis lupus, Canis latrans. What is the similar? What is the different between these 2 names? We have different, we have similar. What are the same things here and what is the different things here for these words? ها شباب مين يعرف؟ Who know, guys? Judo. Yes, Jude.
Yes.
Huh.
What is the question?
My question is, we have 2 names here, Canis lupus, Canis latrans. What is the same? What is the different?
What is the different?
Yes.
The name.
Different in what?
In the what they do.
No. I'm don't ask about that. Look over. I'm asking about just name. I'm asking about name. Look over here. We have here 2 names. We have here 2 names, and here we have 2 names. Can you see the different? Where are the different and where are the same? We have similar.
The
and we have
same
different.
is Canis.
Yes.
Canis, and the different is latrans.
Yeah, latrans and lobus. Excellent. Okay, just a minute. I'm sorry.
No problem.
Okay, guys. Now, as you see here, we have 2 words here. Canis, the first word like each other, but the second word it will be different. This here lobus and the other one is latrans. Lobus, latrans. What does it mean? It means they are the same genus. They are the same genus, but the species will be different. It means when you try to name any organism, we will name the organism by two words. The first one, it will be the genus name, and the second one, it will be the species name. Okay, now the first part, it will be the genus name, and the second one, it will be the species name. By this way, we will name all organisms. All organisms. Okay, if you take a look for the picture here, they are approximately the same. They are approximately the same, but they are different. They are different. These coyotes, this is the kind of wolf live in America. Live in America, but and this one is a different kinds of wolf. Okay, and they are the same genus. Can you see that? They are the same genus. The genus for both are Canis. Canis. Okay, and the name, the species is Lobus for this, and the other one is Latrans. Okay, by this way we will name all organisms do we have. Okay, guys, now again, all organisms named by the by two syllables. Okay, by two names. First name, it will first part, it will be the name of the genus. The second part, it will be the name of species. Let's read the book. Here, guys, I will read quickly. Okay, now, guys, the scientists use some ways or some systems to classify organisms. Okay, each kind of organism have own name. We don't have two organisms have the same name. Each organism have own name. No two organisms like each other in names. Okay, all organisms will be different. Okay, the first part of organism, it will be the name of the genus. The name of the genus. What is the now, genus? It will be at the end. If you look over for the 6 or 7 level of the organism classification, here is species. Before species, here we have a genus. That is the genus here, guys. Okay, that is the genus I'm speaking for. Okay, at the second part of the name, it will be the species. Where the species? Yeah, species. Okay, now the second part of the name, it will be species. Khalas? Okay, now by using this name, we can classify, identify, and study all organisms that we have. The scientists nowadays named approximately 1.7 million species in our Earth. And we have more than these organisms. We have more than 1.7 million species on the Earth. Okay? Okay, any questions here, guys? Up till here, any questions? Don't ask me about names. We don't speak about names here yet. Okay, here he give you example. Here he will give you example, okay? Because of the name. We have different names today. Okay, this part, guys, explain for you the example. He give you example of the organism, okay? Look over. Wolf, coyotes, and dogs. All of them the same genus. All of them the same genus. All of them, okay? Now, wolves, coyotes, dogs. Do you know kites? Kites, it will be like wolves, but kites live in America, and wolves live in other places. Okay, and also, of course, you know the dogs. Okay, all of them, three of them, the same genus. The genus name for three of them is genus. Okay, okay, but in fact, okay, and also, guys, in the genus, as you know, they are look similar. They are have a lot of properties like each other. Okay, like what? All of them eat meat, for example. All of them eat meat. However, the species, this genus, will be different traits. If we talk about the species for each one, they will be different. Some different in color. Some different in color. The red wolf are Canis rufus. Canis rufus. Gray wolf is Canis lobus. The coyotes is or are Canis latrans. يا سلام على الكلام. Again يا شباب, again. Red wolf, Canis rufus. Gray wolf, Canis lobus. Coyotes, Canis latrans. Canis rufus, Canis lupus, Canis latrans. All of them Canis, 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 but different in Rufus lupus latrans. Rufus lupus latrans. That is the name of this species. Rufus lupus latrans. Amazing. Yes, very good. Yeah, now guys, repeat with me all of the class. Canis rufus. Without microphone, without microphone. I don't open your microphone. Canis rubus. Canis rufus. Canis lupus. Canis no, there are no same species. No same species. All species different. Because the species, we have only one organism. No species are the same, guys. No species are the same. خالص. Okay, Amir? شكرا يا آدم. شكرا يا آدم. Okay, guys, thanks a lot for sharing with me this class today, and I hope you understand my session today. And I will search for the video for this session to understand more about that. Okay, thanks a lot for sharing with me. And at the end, I want to tell you goodbye. مع السلامة يا شباب. I will open your microphone. Any questions? Thanks a lot. خلاص محمد كفاية كده. I'm tired يا محمد. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry يا محمد. خلاص ما فيش أسئلة تانية خلاص.
باي
مع السلامة يا شباب. مع السلامة.